I made $5,000 in just one day using a method no one is talking about. But I'm about to spill the beans just for you guys. We are going to sell digital products. Let me tell you, it's a goldmine waiting to be tapped into. Seriously, go on YouTube and try to find someone discussing this. I bet you won't. Now, I've sold digital products in the past, but honestly, I didn't make much. The methods I used were kind of like hit and run tactics. But this one is the game changer. You don't have to show your face, make videos, or even run ads. And the best part? No bans. You won't get in trouble with this, especially if you do what I say. So pay close attention and let's get right into it. Alright, so here's the deal, guys. We're not going the usual route of dropshipping or affiliate marketing. Nope. We're diving into the world of selling digital products. Sounds cool, right? Now, selling digital products requires one super important skill: copywriting. Don't worry, it's not as hard as it sounds. In fact, you won't be spending all your time writing. It's more like 50% research, 30% brainstorming ideas, and only 20% actual writing. See? Not so scary. The first step is to target a specific group of people to sell to. And I mean specific. Don't just aim for women who want to look good or men who want to make money. Go deeper. For example, picture a 30-year-old single father of 2 kids feeling like time is slipping away. Or imagine a cashier worried about robots taking over their job. You see, we're targeting a very particular person. Now, selling to your past self is where it's at, believe me. We all like to think we're super special, but the truth is we're not as unique as we believe. The problems you faced in the past, well, guess what? There's a good chance someone else out there has gone through the same stuff. Yep, even the deep, deep ones. So whatever problem you've overcome in the past, you can create a product around it because others are facing the same issue. Let's say you used to be a shy guy turning red every time you talk to a girl, but then you figured out how to boost your testosterone, gain confidence, and started getting what you wanted. Bam! You can create an ebook on going from beta to brave. Your problems happen for a reason, so use them to your advantage. Alright, so step 1 is all about finding your specific target. Get in their shoes and come up with a product that solves their issues. Now on to step number 2. Unleash a mind-blowing big idea. This idea should be so irresistible that when your target market catches a glimpse, they'll start drooling. Trust me, without that killer idea, you won't snag their attention, which is what we really need. So now we're going to be diving into Twitter because I want to show you someone who is killing it on this platform and raking in some serious dough. Alright, first up is this dude named Breathe Less. His big idea is all about, you guessed it, breathing less. Apparently that's the key to becoming super healthy. According to him, he suffocates people to make them healthy. This sounds wild, right? He's got this website thing going on using Gumroad to sell his product. Can't say for sure how many sales he's made, but with a bunch of followers like that, he's probably made a cool 10 grand or more. Not too shabby, huh? The craziest thing about all of this is that no one really talks about using Twitter to drive sales on YouTube. Most people focus on TikTok, Pinterest, or Facebook, but Twitter? Nah, not really. And these guys are nailing it. They know their target market like nobody's business, providing value and giving people what they want. No fancy videos or faces are needed, just tweets. And hey, there are endless possibilities with this method. You can sell physical products or go for digital products. It's all about solving your target market's problems. So let's get cracking and create something awesome for your past self. Fix their issues and watch the cash flow in. Alright, let's dive into this breathless thing. So this is what the guy is selling. He claims that all chronic pain, suffering, and disease are caused by a lack of oxygen at the cellular level. Basically, he's saying that if you listen to him, he'll show you how to be disease-free. Sounds intriguing, right? Now, if we look at the details, it's actually something they teach in copywriting. So think about the problem you're trying to solve. Let's do it right now. First off, we need to extract the big idea. After reading through everything, it seems like the big idea is that breathing less is better. The reason this is a big idea is that it challenges your usual thinking. When someone says that breathing less is healthier, you're like, what the heck are you talking about? It breaks your usual thought pattern and grabs your attention. Without a big idea, you won't really catch the customer's interest. You need something that disrupts their thinking, like breathing less is healthier. Next up, let's think about the promise. What's the benefit this person is offering? It's unlimited energy, no disease, increased libido, and so on. And what's the actual problem they're addressing? Lack of energy. Simple as that. Now for the mechanism. This part is important. You need a unique approach that sets you apart. In this case, it's called the boutique method. I have no clue what that is, but it's some method this person came up with. Unique and different. And of course, we can't forget about proof. Proof can take different forms. It could be a demonstration, showing people the method in action. Another form of proof is using authority. They mention it was discovered by a doctor, so that adds credibility. And then there's social proof, claiming that 1,000 people have tested this method. It's all about showing that it works and others have tried it. Combine all these elements and bam, you should have a product like this one this person is selling. It's not that difficult to put together. Just use these components and create something awesome. Now, in your case, let's approach it from a different angle. We'll build these elements backwards. So imagine we're targeting a dropshipper who has watched countless YouTube videos but still isn't getting results. The problem we're addressing here is the lack of results, even after all that effort. Now let's think about the promise we can offer them. It's usually the opposite of the problem they're facing. So our promise could be something like, make $1,000 a day. That's a compelling offer, right? To back up our promise, we need proof. We can provide a demonstration showing how we made $1,000 a day using our method. Or we can offer free value and showcase social proof by highlighting others who have achieved success with the same techniques we teach. It's all about showing them that our approach works and others have benefited from it. Now let's brainstorm the big idea. We could say something like, the real reason you're not finding success is because of this secret skill, copywriting. Or we can emphasize a unique skill that no guru talks about. It could be an intriguing angle to capture their attention. Now let's move on to the fun part, tweeting. When crafting your tweets, you want to mention the problem and the big idea in a concise and engaging way. Let's take an example using the product we developed earlier. Start by mentioning the problem. Did you know that most modern people are breathing incorrectly? This grabs attention and creates curiosity. Next, highlight the big idea. Imagine a method that can transform your health by teaching you to breathe less. It's unconventional and sparks interest. Now let's talk about the style of writing tweets. I can't go into detail in a single response, but a good tip is to observe how successful tweeters write and adapt their style. For instance, the person we discussed earlier breaks their tweets into smaller chunks. They might write something like, if you want to, idea, here's why it's important, explanation. This format makes it easier to read and captures attention. Remember, your tweet should give people value and contain a big idea. You can tweet about loads of topics related to your product as long as it connects with your audience and offers something valuable. And here's the best part, you can have fun with it. The key is to keep it engaging, interesting, and aligned with your overall brand and messaging. So don't be afraid to experiment and enjoy the process of tweeting. So writing tweets is all about mastering copywriting. It's all about your words and sometimes a killer pick. So here's the deal. Find your specific audience, like the person you picked earlier. Then hit up Twitter and check out the top pages they follow. See what they're tweeting about. Now, all you gotta do is make similar tweets but make them even better. But here's the secret sauce. Most tweets on Twitter are recycled. Find something that's working, then recycle the hell out of it. Don't stop, keep going. Oh, and by the way, it's all about words. No need to make fancy videos or pics, just words. So fill out your problem, promise, mechanism, and all that good stuff, and throw it all in a blender. Blend it up and find the perfect name for your product. As for selling, you can use Gumroad, Wap.com, or even Shopify. The point is to tap into the untapped potential of Twitter. And here's the beauty of it. These guys go all in on copywriting. Their websites are pure copy. It shows you that this stuff is legit. But guess what? Not many people are doing it because they think Twitter people don't buy. That is a huge mistake. Twitter people do buy. You just need a big idea that grabs everyone's attention, disrupts their patterns, and boom, you are in business. Will you be trying this method out? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to show some love to this video by giving it a thumbs up and hitting that subscribe button if you haven't already. Trust me, you want to be the first to know about our next videos because I've got some exciting tips and tricks up my sleeve to help you make money like a pro. See you next time.